What's going on, guys? This is Joe at Outdoorsman's. I've got the Leupold VX-5HD in 3 to 15 by 44. This is a great rifle scope. It's super lightweight, comes in at like 19 ounces. Cost on is $950. It's got a great eye relief on it. We're talking like 3.7 inches, so you don't have to worry about scope kissing yourself like you do with some other scopes out there. 75 minutes in the elevation and windage for your MOA adjustment here, which is awesome. Should be able to get you out there, poking out there at a decent range. It's one of my favorite scopes on the market right now, and it's honestly one of the best scopes at that price of under $1,000. I've also got the VX-6HD 3 to 18 by 50 here. This one comes in at $18.99, so it's a little bit more of an upgrade, but you get a little bit better glass quality in there, a 6 times magnification ratio, and it comes with the flip up lens covers here, which is pretty cool. Solid scope here. This one's got the same as the VX5 with the 75 minutes of travel, both in the elevation and your windage. Locking turret, which is nice. And also with that CDS ZL2 turret on there, both in both scopes. Even if you order them from us, you can give Leupold a call and they'll cut you a custom turret for it. You just got to give them your ballistics and I think your order number and the serial number of your scope. Again, this is $950, so a solid scope at that under $1,000 price point. And then if you're looking to upgrade and put some really good glass on a decent rifle, then go with that VX6 in the 3 to 18 at $1,900. Solid option. Give us a call. Go online, outdoorsmans.com. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, let us know if you like these videos. Please subscribe, like the videos, and comment. Also set up the notifications somewhere around. I'm a little old, so I don't really know where the YouTube buttons are. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Let us know how you like these videos. Thanks.